Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 video of the Ooty factory, and now we are heading towards the chocolate factory. We are laughing because that few people think that we are the famous YouTuber. And one more thing I have to mention here, that it's not a big chocolate factory, it's like a very small chocolate factory we visited, and also they sell the chocolates here, different varieties of the chocolate. They have all kind of chocolates like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and some of unique flavors. And this is how they make the chocolates in the container. They are melting the chocolates in that I don't know how to say that. It's like rotating some kind of container. And here we go, the different types of chocolates they are manufacturing their factory. And I bought a dark chocolate. Of course I like dark chocolate very much. Nowadays even kids want to be the blogger. This kid is taking videos of the chocolates. My friend bought some chocolates for their home and their family and friends. And I bought 300 grams of chocolates, and it cost around 300 rupees INR, Indian rupee. I met this boy there. Actually, he's dancing there, and here the kids are watching how the chocolate is, how they making the chocolates. This place is attracted even by the tourists. I saw one foreigner there. Alright, வாங்கிட்டீங்களா? My friend bought around 1 kg of chocolates, variety of chocolates for 1000 rupees, Indian rupee. We are going down by staircase. On the basement, they used to sell some clothes, sweaters, and also some spices. I think this place is especially for the women. They sell some handbags, money purses, and so on. All right. I saw this kid again and I used to say hi to him. He's very such a cute boy. And these are some Indian spices. My friend bought some sweaters for the kids. I think that's for his relatives. ಅಂಕುರಿಯಾ ಹಾಂ ಯಾರಕ್ಕೆ and of course we love to take selfie videos, and this is how I take the videos for the first time for my first vlogging channel. That's it for today video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and see you in the next video. Next video is definitely going to be a adventurous one. Don't miss it. Until then, bye bye, take care.